Just make sure you hold it tight like you did.
And
You're ready for it now.
My hand's not in the
Your
way.
hand's clear of it. Brace it. You're mad. Somebody's trying to hurt you. Shoot that fucking thing. You're letting it scare you. Don't let it scare you. You have control of the weapon. You're letting it scare you. Lean into it and be
lean into it.
Like be mad. Like get ready to. You're letting it flip up too much. Hold it tight. A little bit higher. You got this.
No, I don't.
You're letting it jostle you too much.
No, I'm done.
No, one more. Shoot that fucking thing.
I'm trying.
Put those all lined up together and put him right above the white dot. There you go. You got it.
Got it. Now take